The 2008 Ford F-150. This is a pickup truck powered by a 4.6-liter V8 engine with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. This four-wheel drive pickup truck is well equipped. This Ford features keyless entry, power windows, and four-wheel drive. Safety features include dual front airbags and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include a CD player, air conditioning, and power steering. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Hey folks, thanks for checking out this vehicle. For more information, lc4.com. Thanks again.